Okay, let us now move to the next. So, yung topic natin, alamin natin ang sarili natin, tayo ang makasagot niyan. Ang kalaban natin, that is the board examinations, the criminology licensure examination. So, tingnan natin ang coverage at saka nature of the CLE. Baka nadala kayo sa sinasabi ng mga tao, mahina ka sa math, mahina ka sa English, mag-criminology ka na lang. Kasi mas madali doon. Well, madaling sabihin. Pero in reality, if you will be very serious with our course, mahirap ang criminology, ang reality. Especially so that there is a board examination. So, tingnan natin ang coverage. So, ito yung coverage. Sabi dito, literally broad. Pagka sinabing literal, hindi lang siya basta istorya, kundi talagang totoong broad siya, malawak. No? Sinabi nila, mahirap daw ang law. Yes, mahirap naman talaga. Pero in terms of the number of subjects that you will have to consider, pinakamalawak ang criminology. There are at the very least 32 subjects at least sa present na board examination. So sa old board examinations, 32 subjects. I'm not yet so acquainted with the latest additionals, no? Sa mga additions sa subject. Pero I do believe na mas malawak, no? So 32 subjects, just imagine, categorized into 6 major areas. Kaya naman, sa board examination, 3 araw. 3 araw Kasi na-try na yan in 2008. Na-try na yan. 2 days lang. Kinompress nila ang examination. Maraming nagreklamo kasi talagang sobrang sakit ng ulo. I will explain further bakit kaya 6 major areas lang, perceivably madali lang ang criminology. Why is it na mahirap siya? Ito yun. Ang nature ng criminology. The nature of criminology course is that the major areas have little to none. No? Tingnan nyo, maliit lang, hanggat masabi pa rin natin na posibleng wala talaga. Wala talagang interrelationship with each other. Okay, what does it mean? Ang ibig sabihin, wala siyang related sa ibang major area. Let us have an example. Dito. Diba, of course, sa board examinations, ito yung order. Mauna ang CLJ, Criminal Law and Jurisprudence. And then, pagkatapos niyan, we have LEA. Pagkatapos niyan, we have Criminalistics. Pagkatapos ng Criminalistics, we have CDI. Pagkatapos ng CDI, we have Criminal Sociology. Pagkatapos ng Criminal Sociology, we have Corrections, CORAD. Tingnan nyo ito yung sinasabi ko na yung tinatawag na interrelationship. Ang criminology, yung 6 major areas na yan, kung meron man interrelationship, kukunti lang. Tingnan nyo Criminal Law and Jurisprudence. That is in the morning. Pagkahapon, LEA. Law Enforcement Administration. Parang related kasi may sinasabi, criminal law at saka law enforcement. Pero magkaibang planeta. Malayong malayo mula sa criminal law and jurisprudence papunta sa LEA. You are dealing practically. Parang sa planeta ang criminal law and jurisprudence. Totally unique siya. Pagpunta mo doon sa Leia, ibang planeta ang pinuntahan mo. Hindi siya related sa CLJ. Kaya, sa isang araw pa lang, siguradong bugbog ka kasi hindi magkatulad ang topic na i-take up. Kinabukasan, you will have to take mula sa Leia papunta sa criminalistics, another world to take up. So ang topic sa Leia, kung ano mang nalalaman mo doon, papunta sa criminalistics, ibang planeta, ibang bagay ang dapat mong alamin. Iba ang term na ginamit sa criminal law and jurisprudence, iba ang term na ginamit sa Leia, ibang mga terms ginagamit sa criminalistics. Try to imagine, 3 subject, wala na. Napakahirap talaga. So, each subject, tigwa 100 items. So, 100 items. So, 100 items, total of 600 items lahat. Huh? Parang sinasabi nila, madali lang ang criminology. Madaling sabihin. Pero, ang pagpasa sa board exams, that is no joke. Kaya kapag ikaw ay criminologist, you could not say na yung criminologist na yan, bobo. Kasi, sobrang hirap. Lalo na ngayon, no? Mas lalo ngayon, people. You have to realize this. Mas lalong mahirap ngayon kung ang mindset ninyo, people, kung ang mindset ninyo, pabanjing-banjing lang, papansitan lang, parelax-relax lang, I think you are bound to be one of the failures sa criminology. Huh? Baka pagdating ng araw, magka-problema ka. Huh? So, mula sa criminalistics papunta sa CDI, well, may konting relationship insofar as the concept of crime scene. May konting related, especially on the collection of evidence or the appreciation of what is the physical evidence, mga ganyan, ganito. Pero kung meron mang relationship, napakaliit niyan. Kasi totally, kung tingnan natin, a different world ang CDI sa criminalistics. Iba sila. Ibang planeta. Huh? Punta tayo mula sa CDI papunta sa criminalistics, criminal sociology. Mas lalong lumala ang situation. Why? Because this one is purely conceptual. Purely conceptual, theoretical na subject. Nandito ang pinakamasabi natin, pinakamahirap sa lahat. Although sinabi nila mahirap ang CDI, pero I should say na mas mahirap ang criminal sociology kasi nandito ang theory on crime causation, nandito ang research na napakahirap. Ibang planeta to siya mula sa CDI. Pagdating sa Quran, merong konting relationship kasi ang Quran, more of application of the concept of criminal sociology, especially on the theories of crime and how to manage people who are offenders, who are convicted offenders. So, this is more of application, pero meron pa rin napakalayong concept nito. Kaya tingnan niyo, get to realize this one, people, at this point in time, no? Second year pa kayo, isipin ninyo, hindi ganito kadali ang criminology. If you think na ang kurso ninyo para graduate lang kayo, that's a wrong thinking. Kung sinabi ninyo na ito, pangkuan lang to, pang malakas to, mga sakalam lang to, hindi. You are wrong. Because this is as much as the use of the brain as it is about physical strength. No? Kaya, ngayon pa lang, I am inviting your conscience, no? People, I am inviting your conscience to realize at this point in time na kailangan ninyong mag-prepare so much for the board examinations. Huwag nyo nang hintayin na 1 week na lang board examinations na. Saka pa kayo makarealize. Realize it as early as now so that you will have no problem later on. There is a well-known saying in training, yung tinatawag na, the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in battle. No? The more you sweat, meaning papawis ka. Ganon din sa criminology. Sa foundation, napaka-importante. There is no amount of review, people. There is no amount of review that can replace sa whatever lacking you have in your foundation. Ang foundation ang napaka-importante. That is why every major subject, take it as if you are preparing for the board examinations. Bawat isa, kahit na hindi kayo interesado sa instructor, make your mind be interested in the subject. Do not rely on what you feel with the instructor, but rely on the thinking that later on you will have more difficulty. So, kung ikumpara natin ang criminology, tingnan nyo ha, ang licensure examination for teachers, alam nyo ba, 1 day lang yan sila. 1 day lang, at saka there are 450 subjects. Just imagine, in 1 day, 450 questions. Sa atin, 3 days, 600 items. Kumbaga, 200 per day na questions. Sila, 1 day, 450. Tignan nyo ha, 1 day lang ha. Mas mahirap siguro sa kanila. The answer is no. Bakit? Kasi kahit na 450 yan ang mga question nila, interrelated ang subject nila. Interrelated. Hindi kagaya ng criminology na you are practically dealing with different planets. Sinasabi ko talaga planeta. No? Hindi yung that's an understatement kung sabihin natin lugar. No. Planeta to. Iba ang topic sa CLJ, iba ang LEA, iba ang criminalistics, iba ang CDI, iba ang CrimSoc, iba ang Quran. Kaya napakahirap ng board examination sa criminology. Okay? I hope you realize that difficulty.